So I do own an iron, but I don't own an ironing board. So I have decided to iron this brocade on my coffee table with a beach towel on top to protect it. Buckle up, Buttercup, you're in for a wild ride. Just kidding. Changed my mind about what bolster to use. Iron, there's proof. Because I thought that the round one would be too hard for my skill level, as I am still really not very experienced. So I bought this large rectangular one so I can make even seams, and then I have a zipper that will fit down one of the short sides, and I think that will be fine. I mean, it'll be like stuffing a pillowcase when I do empty it out. It won't be a broad opening, but as a bolster, you know, you kind of see here, you know, you want to be able to really use it. Okay, so let's get ironing. Sorry for the movement. I'm trying out this thing around my neck. Whoop. We'll see. Okay, brocade. There it is, our friend. Okay, so which is in and which is out? I think based on that sort of knotted stitching, that's the underside, and this is the visible side. I don't think it really looks all that different, but instinct is telling me this is, yeah, look at the not the flowers, but the branches. They're really knotted, and then on this side, gosh, oh, they don't look that much different, but I think that's right. So I'm going to go inside out just to be safe. And I'm not a big ironer. I actually had no idea how to set this thing, so we'll see. All right, steam. Ooh, what is this? Burst? Okay, what do I pick? Burst? Maybe flow? I don't know. Here we go. Standing up. Ah. Nothing's melting. That's a start. Pull it out a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. This is why I don't buy linen fabrics. Okay. Moving it down. Getting this out of the way. I'm not aiming for perfection here, kids. I am just really amazed I pulled out the iron after 20-some years in the first place. So, okay, well, if we're here, we might as well try. Okay. 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 All right, I only have so much cord here. Not a lot of power and outlets in this place, so keep going. I think that's going to be the extent of our try. Everything else I'm going to call character. Okay. Pull this down a little bit here. Do not hire me as your dry cleaner or your laundress. Okay, edge. I think some of these edges will go away, but I don't really know until it gets moving. So, okay. Oh my gosh. I had a work meeting this morning. I have another tomorrow morning. And somehow I go into a creative tailspin after that. when I sense a lull in the daily requirements. So that's what's happening here. Okay. All right. Oh yeah, I might be making some of this worse, but I think in general we are looking pretty good. Let's throw this around. Okay, Carol, whatever you do, don't ball it up again.